Everybody, Scott Pierce here at Listings to Leads, and we're going to talk about short form video scripts that are now available for all your listings automatically in Listings to Leads. So when you're on the Listings to Leads dashboard here for your listings, click the market listing button for any of your listings here. So I'll click one for my coming soon listing, and down the vertical list here on the left-hand side, you're going to see short form video scripts. Now we're going to be updating the display of how this looks a little bit later. So you may see a graphic button here, but for now, click on the view. And this is the script. So let me explain this real quickly and also some of the benefits. All right. So short form video is really being promoted by YouTube, by Instagram, by TikTok. All right. And so you'd film it vertically. All right. So not horizontal like you do a normal YouTube video, but vertically. And you'll see there's two kind of sets of text here. Some of the text is shaded in yellow, and that's the explanatory text. And then some of the text here is not shaded in yellow, and that's what you'd actually say. All right. And I'm going to explain just a couple of things here real quickly before I role play this with you. First of all is notice if you're subscribed to the Listings to Leads text service, that will appear in here as well. And we highly recommend it because imagine you're doing a video and you're going to be telling people how to get more information about your listing. You can read the custom vanity URL that you get from Listings to Leads, although as you can imagine, it's a little bit longer to use. But if you're subscribed to our text service, then you'll be able to just tell people to go ahead and text to get the mobile responsive virtual tour, and you get the phone number 100% of the time. All right. The other thing I want to mention here before we get started is this URL here. Everyone gets a URL like this. And this is absolutely customizable. All right. So get with our support team. If you want to customize the free home values link, just ask our support team, because especially where you see California here, that's normally your username by default, but you can change it to anything you want. And there's like 4 or 5, 6 different domains that you can choose from. So in case you try a particular prefix that's taken with that particular domain, you'll be able to change the domain as well and see if that's available. So again, get with our support team on how to change that if you need to for your, in your Listings to Leads account. All right. So let's role play this a little bit. Let's talk this through. So one of the things is, this is a ongoing thing that you want to be doing. All right. So YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, right? Facebook, even, they all love to promote the short form video. All right. So you're gonna get a lot of bang for your buck, right? You're getting a lot of bang for your time and energy in doing this. That's greater than a standard property video that you might do. All right. The other thing is you want to try to do this for your listing at every status. The more of these types of videos that you do, the more legs you're going to get and the more response you're going to get over time. All right. So again, don't do it one time and, oh, I didn't get anything from it, because the first time you do this will probably be the worst that you ever do. And that's totally fine. That's normal. That's expected. That's just the way it is. But you'll get better over time. You'll get more response over time. You'll get more engagement over time. And you'll actually get more promotion over time. All right. From all these different platforms. All right. So let's just kind of go through this together. This is a short form video script that will generate leads, help you promote to home buyers and home sellers on these different platforms here. And so what I would normally do is I would try to get in front of the listing. I know a lot of people I talk to have green screens. That's absolutely awesome. But I would think get in front of the listing, right? Have your assistant, significant other, whatever, hold your phone camera, or you can use a selfie stick to do this as well. And you're just going to paraphrase the script right here. Notice right here in this section, you're going to give a brief keyword there, brief, 2 to 3 sentence overview of the property. And then you're going to conclude it right with this section right here. So let's I'll walk through this. I'll role play this a little bit here. So I might start off with, hey, everybody in Folsom, this is Scott Pierce with L2L Realty. And just want to let you know that 5000 Douglas Boulevard in Folsom is coming soon for sale. You can get all the photos, price, and details by texting 107-242 to 25678. You're going to get the mobile responsive virtual tour with all the photos, all the details about this property. Again, text 107-242 to 25678. So this is a beautiful property. It's a corner lot, updated kitchen, in a great school district. It's about 3 blocks away from really nice little shopping center. There's trails all around the neighborhood. So you're going to really love living here. And now when this home is sold, you as a homeowner in the area are going to want to know what your home value is going to be. All right. Because every time a new listing sells near you, your home value changes. So I want you to go to california.freehomevalues.net and get your updated home value estimate now. I think you're going to like what you see. So again, this is Scott Pierce of the L2L Realty, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Right? I didn't read it word for word. I didn't even try to read it word for word. All right. I just wanted to get the main points across. I'll let people know that the listing is coming soon for sale in this case. Maybe the listing's having an open house. Maybe the listing is pending. Maybe the listing just sold. And then again, I want to direct people to the single property website by texting that number. All right. So I'm going to tell them what they're going to get. They're going to get all the photos, pricing, details, and more by sending a text 107-242 to 25678. Now notice how I read that twice. All right. Because typically people, they're going to listen to you the first time, and then they're going to kind of be deciding if they're going to do it or not. And so that's why you want to read it the second time, because then they can pause the video, send the text, and you get the phone number. All right. And they get the mobile responsive virtual tour. All right. Now, if you wanted to read that URL, you could. All right. But it's just a little bit long. And so that's why I really like the text option there only. All right. Keeps it simple for you to say, and it keeps it simple for the people to take action. Right. Again, then I give a quick two to three sentence overview about the property. We don't want to speak too long here because then people are going to scroll past and get bored of listening to us talk. All right. And then the last part of it here is where you're going to help generate some seller leads. All right. By letting people know that, hey, when this listing is sold, right, or if it's just sold, now that this listing has sold, nearby home values are affected. All right. However you want to phrase that, if you got a better way of saying that, all for it, go ahead and do it. And then have just a nice quick ending. All right. So again, I want you to keep in mind that you're going to be doing these videos at least one a week. All right. Hopefully one every 2 weeks at worst. Because again, you can do this on a listing that you're holding open for somebody else. You can do it for a listing that you're marketing for another agent as well, where they give you permission. But the key is you want to be doing this. It'd be perfect to do it at least once a week. All right. Every week. Because every listing, yours or not, you can do this for. At every status, you can do this for. So if you change the status, have an open house, it's another reason to do one of these short form videos and get yourself out there even more on these platforms that are actually promoting short form video a lot more than they used to in the past. All right. So if you have any questions on this, by all means, let our support team know, and we'll talk to you soon.